there.
No, it's a reflection of something, ain't it?
That's kind of creepy though.
It's a reflection, bro.
It's not a reflection.
It's not a light, it's a reflection.
I mean, it's kind of creepy. What is it a reflection of?
Cut all your lights off, bro.
My light.
Hey, check
Yeah.
FaceTime Joey. FaceTime Joey.
Hey, fuck you.
This is to prove it's not a light.
You go first.
Go be a pussy. Get up. That's the floor right there. Flat.
Don't be a dick. Don't be a pussy. Don't be a pussy. Just keep your wits about. Keep your wits about.
Hey, I got a fucking rock in my pocket.
Did you know when they built this tree wasn't fucking
Spangler, I wouldn't actually walk in there. I don't think there's a floor, man.
Oh, there's not a floor.
Plastic.
There's literally no floor. Can someone hold this paddle?
Just put it on the floor.
No, it's my weapon.
Corner, hey, Cesar, come here, bro. We just leave a bottle of spectre, sign our
No,
names.
just hold the vodka. No, because I want to drink it. Oh, you got it. Okay.
It has a free hand.
Fine, I'll fucking go in.
Dude, you can't go in. There's no
I'll go in front,
floor.
bro.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Yeah, there's a structure. I'll hold it.
Bro, if you
There's
fall
always a
through,
structure.
you're going to get hurt. And we're going to have to take you to the ER at 1 a.m.
Oh, well, fuck it.
You're drunk.
No, well, I'm actually not that drunk anymore. I want to be.
Oh, good lord.
Oh, fuck's sake, I just poured it everywhere. Fucking what a waste.
Dude, we're going to go back and our boat's going to be missing. Dude, are you leaving that there?
Yeah.
This is so dangerous. I wish I had on like actual proper equipment for this. Normally when we go explore the asylum in Tuscaloosa, we have like a... Dude, how do you get up here? Dude, you are fucking crazy.
Hey, I just wanted to, bruh.
What, the plank?
Dude, I don't trust that whatsoever.
Spangler.
You need a tetanus shot after this.
I gotta sit the...
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. This is so
Bro,
We ain't gonna get any more than upstairs, are we?
are you filming with the light on?
Yeah, bro, that's clutch. This is
Oh.
a good memory. We sent this to my dad. He'd love this shit.
I'm putting the flashlight up. Dude, this thing just fell apart almost. Dude, this is not safe.
Jake.
What?
I think one of the guys that used to own this used to work in Mommy Hustle. Like, no shit.
Right, I know.
Just a what? Date your
Yeah,
mom?
One of the Harrisons. One of the Harrisons there. Clay Harrison or something like that. Clay Harrison.
You go. Is there an upstairs?
Yeah, but we ain't getting upstairs.
What is this machinery right here?
Are you filming this?
I am. Yo, let me show Jay.
Look at this right here. Like the whole middle, like the power right here.
Hey, Jake.
Like old fashioned fucking.
You want me to film?
Guys, look at this. Like this shit would probably turn like look This up and down, cut the
I didn't
fucking
even film
power
it.
off.
Oh, fuck. He did.
Put the power off and on, bro. That's cool as shit.
All right, let's go check out the upstairs.
Yeah.
Come on.
Unless you think it's easier out that way.
Fucking slaves right there.
Oh, it wasn't even recording. Do you need help?
Yes! Grip! Fucking alive. Fucking alive. Away from Manchester.
Check this out. Hey, what do you think those tanks are for?
That's kind of creepy.
What?
Just this.
Dude, Spangler, I dare you to go up in like this part right here.
Most haunted house in the whole of Alabama.
Hey, would you walk up there on this part right here?
Yeah, that's it.
No, don't actually do that.
Why not?
Because if you fall, you're gonna
Bro, but
break your legs.
That's the way up the gristmill, bro. You can't get up the gristmill there anywhere else.
That's where the witch is.
I don't think you can open this, so.
No, this is where that warehouse witch.
You gotta be able to open that. Look at the boards they've laid out. That's clearly what.
There's a lock. There's a metal chain. Yeah, it's kind of
tight, bro.
Most haunted house in Alabama. It's not even a house. It's
It goes down.
It goes down to the floor, bro.
Shut up, you're ruining the video. Just go along with it.
You gotta be authentic.
Just go along with it. Most haunted house.
Hey, did y'all see the stuff drawn out here on the wall?
Imagine that. It's just some.
I mean, what'd you think it was gonna be, like cult symbols?
Yeah. I wish it was. It's just some retards. It's just some retards.
You should come up to the place in Tuscaloosa with us for the Northport Asylum.
It's just some retards.
Hey, you should come explore the asylum with us in Tuscaloosa. There's an entire abandoned insane asylum. Would you do it?
Yeah.
Every chicken.
I've been up in there. I've been up in that bitch with a fucking spray can.
Yeah, we spray painted
paint
it.
can. Yeah. Look at that. That's a fucking engine right there, like a car engine right there.
Dude,
It's
what
an
is
engine
that?
block,
Is that
right?
like a hornet's nest hanging?
Oh, it's an old Hornet, or like an old like a bunch of.
Is there a way we can get
Oh, it's just
inside?
dirt.
Is there a way we
top.
can
It's
get down
fucking
there?
carpenter bees all day.
Is there a way we can get to that part?
Bro, that's a door right there. Like, maybe
Where?
we can slide
Hey, no. What about down here? Look at these
Yeah,
steps.
like, that's what I mean. Like, it's gonna be on this side.
Watch out for that spider web.
That's all what I mean, right? Fucking call it to be.
Have you ever actually explored this before?
Nah, bro.
So you don't know if it's safe or not.
It's not that.
Do not enter. It's not that safe. We know that.
What did they say?
Do not enter. Watch out, watch out. Hey.
Please, no smokes.
No, right there, but there's a padlock. Oh. Power.
How much is that bolt that was just snap this shit? Let it go.
I don't think there's going to be a way to get in. Unless you can get in from the bottom. Or right here.
Yeah, you're like sliding. Oh, look at this door right here, bro.
Please keep out. Why are they trying to keep us out?
That writing's probably 30 years old, 40 years. That writing's probably 50 years old, bro. It's old. They shot this shit before. Look, bro. Somebody shot it with a shotgun.
I did bullet holes.
It's like shotgun, bro. Yeah.
They're
Somebody shot it with
bugs.
a
Hey, go
buckshot.
check and see if that door works.
Yeah,
That chain's so rusty, I feel like you could snap it.
Yeah, if you hit it, we give weight.
Keep it down, man. Just keep it down.
I mean,
Jake, keep it down.
why do I have to be the one to lead it?
Like, if we must fly, I'll just get both of them.
I've got the boots on.
Yeah. You're wearing boots? What the hell? We're all wearing, like, I'm wearing open closed
You ain't
shoes.
down these flip-flops, mate.
Kick it.
What's that another view?
Oh, wait. You could just get in through right here.
Oh, shit.
Hey, that's not necessary. There's an entrance right here. So who wants to be the first? Who wants to be the first to go in there?
Okay.
Spangler. We should probably test out that floor.
Dude, Dude, what's that film called? The Warehouse.
So this is a stupid idea.
Bro, it's good, bro.
Oh my gosh, the Ford is.
Yeah, I'm coming. Hey, give me a hand.
This we gotta go to the abandoned house on our property.
How big of a fall would it be if we go? Oh yeah. We probably shouldn't walk around too much up here.
Nah, we're fine, bro. Just be like careful. Know what's lightweight. No.
Especially if the floor collapses, we're gonna break our legs. Actually, how high up are we? Like 10 feet? It's not that bad.
Yeah, no. Hey, bro, think about it. It's like probably 75 years, 80, no, over 100, probably in the 20s. This place would have been like booming. 1920s, man.
Check that
This
out.
would have been like an actual like.
This Ford does not feel stable.
Now it ain't shit.
What are you looking for? Damn, I wish we'd like hear something creepy or something. I don't, dude. I will not go on that. Spangler, I'm serious. Dude, don't do that.
Shit, if
I don't wanna take
get
you
a
to
little higher, I'd feel really comfortable. I can get up.
I don't want to be taking you to the hospital tonight.
How are we getting up? We gotta get up. There's a bunch of fucking tables.
Dude, that does not. Where's a stick or something we can poke that with? That does not look structurally sound.
It's fine.
Hey, this one. Move this shit. Hey, it says move this shit.
It's like a trap.
That's where we're gonna find our way up.
What'd you just throw up there? Dude, is that a sink?
Yeah, that's the same. Use a metal barrel.
Hey, how old do you think this writing is?
That's when they must have been wanting to take it down. So probably 1940s. 1940s, 1950s. It's been abandoned for at least 60 years. Pre-Al family being here. Hold on, I know how to get over here. Hey, someone shine a light. Give me a light.
Dude, don't do that.
Give me a light. Hey, give me a light, bro.
Put something up there first. Hold up, before we go up there. Are those your natty lights?
No. Come on, hey, seriously.
Oh my god. You're fucking retarded. At least it's not a high drop if you fall through. I guess. Hey, have you checked out this part over here? This feels so dangerous. Have you thought about getting down? I mean, how long do you think a structure like this would last?
Well, it's clearly, this is probably over 100 years old. This certainly is a bit older, bro.
But how long? Like, how long will this be safe to walk on?
I don't know, maybe in 20 years. Some parts are going to be crazier than others.
I can't believe this.
Find a ladder that goes up. Hey, y'all come here, bro.
To the ceiling? To the roof?
Yeah, like it just goes up and goes down.
Is there a way to get around through here? How'd you get over there?
Yeah, just walk around.
This feels so Knowing
I
Milo,
don't feel secure. This feels the worst. This doesn't feel that great. Come on, walk. You're fine.
Fucking
You can
weird.
sit anywhere you want.
Chesney, are you coming up here?
How do I get up there? How did you get it used to be more like that.
Dude, you're ballsy as hell. Look at that.
What?
Look how unstable that looks.
Yeah, you
Just step where you know there's rails so you see nails. What?
Give me a hand.
Huh?
Give me a hand.
Chesney, can you not pull yourself up?
Fucking hand.
Oh, fine. Not to like that, it's like.
How
Hey,
deep?
see,
How
like,
deep is
where
the
I
drop
walk
right
here,
there?
I'm fucking stepping where I know there's
Is that
nails.
rat shit?
Yeah, there's tons of rat shit, bro.
What?
I don't want to touch that.
You don't think there's rats in
Touch
here?
it, You're fine, bro.
You get so ill from this shit. What the fuck?
Wash your hands when we get back, or stick it in the lake.
I was torn my svedka. What's svedka?
Pour your alcohol in your hand. It should kill the germs.
Spray paint can, bro.
You're incriminating yourself on film.
I just feel like I'm not getting shot like that. You got a white cotton hat?
I don't want to touch rat shit.
Yeah. Okay. Come on, bro.
I don't want to touch rat shit. Why is that weird? That I'm the only normal one.
You just took one, bro.
Rat shit.
Fucking great. You get full pussy?
Oh, disgusting.
There you go, bro.
God, hey. Ugh. Put my hand sanitizer.
Oh well.
Yes,
This
I
is
carry
so
hand
cool.
sanitizer. Fuck
Have you
off.
thought about how to get down?
Fuck off.
I guess you can get back down on that same thing.
I'm gonna FaceTime my dad, bro.
Don't FaceTime your dad.
FaceTime your dad.
He would love this shit.
FaceTime your dad. I want to go live.
Bro.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, you see Chesney? See Jake?
I can't see anybody. I'm asleep in bed.
Wait, you should be able to see me. Oh, we're in the grist mill.
Oh, okay.
God,
Well,
hey.
let's be careful, okay?
Yeah, so it's cool though, like, going up in here.
God, dang.
There's snakes all in there, man. Be careful.
Yeah, I know. We're on the
I
right
see
eyes.
those
We're a
snakes.
bit tall, but yeah, it's this is really cool to go up in here.
Yeah, just be careful,
Yeah.
man.
Hey, the Weldons own this land, right? Don't
It's
they?
dangerous.
I think.
They do, but be careful. It's dangerous there.
Why?
Okay, I love you.
I only got 11%.
Yeah, my phone's about to die, too.
Real quick.
No, we don't.
Real quick.
I need a light. Hey, you got that flashlight?
Yeah,
Where is it?
in my pocket.
Can I have it?
All right, is there another place we go to?
Yeah, there's a ladder.
Are you not gonna go up there?
Yeah, I'm gonna go up this ladder.
Spangler, don't do that.
I'm gonna go as far as I can, bro.
Spangler, you are going to get hurt. And how are we gonna get you back to the lake house in time?
We run up the damn hill. Get to the road.
I don't know how to get to the road from here, Spangler. There's woods all around us. For
Well, you know what the damn
Miles.
bridge is, and the bridge is the road.
the bridge is like a mile upstream.
Hey, come here. We're just exploring, bro. Chill out.
Yeah, but that does not look stable. It's there. There's just a
Very
turn.
stable to me. Come on, relax, bro.
He's gonna get killed. Spangler.
Come here, bro.
It's all for the content, I guess.
Dude, don't go up that.
Imagine you just die.
I don't. Oh my god.
That'd be a pretty shitty death.
I don't go for nothing. Fuck.
What's up there? Fine, I'll walk over there.
Yeah, this is it. There's a roof to fly, bro.
How do we walk over there safely?
Nah, fuck that, fuck that, fuck that, fuck
What?
that.
Spangler, what parts of this is safe?
Fuck that. This is like walking through a minefield. It's a lottery.
Spangler, what parts of this are safe or not?
I don't know.
Absolute lottery. Rat shit everywhere. Look at the grass. Sean City buses.
I mean, we're only like 10 feet up, so unless you land on something painful. Oh my gosh.
Be careful where you stand. You'll be alright.
Step where their nails are. This looks safe-ish. Oh, what the hell is that white stuff?
That's abandoned.
Well, that's as far as it goes, bro.
What's up there? Nothing.
It's like the whole top floor is like gone, bro. Like, there's nothing left. Like, it's all collapsed in. So there's just that.
For just 1 minute.
How far up the ladder did you go, Spangler?
I was almost to the top. I mean, like, I went far enough. Like, you see, like, there's nothing left.
There's no top floor left.
Yeah. There's some boards you can stand on near the top, but it ain't top. Man, it ain't nothing, bro. Use your phone, bro. Fucking cool. Huh? Fucking cool. I was gonna go up here tomorrow, like during the daytime, but I should yeah, Chesney, get on that ladder. No, it's over there. See where Jake went?
This part feels sketchy right
How
here.
far you go up there, bro?
Like almost all the way.
Yeah.
Let's stand the same place at once.
Yeah, y'all should probably move.
Look for nails. If you see nails, step there because there's
What was that?
fucking security. And that way.
What?
What's this white powder?
I don't know. Step back. We shouldn't be stepping. Spangler, keep moving so we're not all have our weight in the same place.
What's this white powder?
I don't know. Why don't you pick it up and try it? Give it an old lick for us.
Spangler, what do you reckon this is?
Some sort of asbestos, bro.
Yeah.
Asbestos.
Yeah. Really?
Fuck, dude. We should be wearing masks when we came up here.
Who's the fuck, bro? You didn't get
I care.
one time.
What?
Alright,
Spangler,
Chesney, you
I
up the
explore.
stairs or no?
Dude, I go to places like this all the time. I don't
There's
normally bring a
nothing to
mask.
see here, guys. What are we doing now?
Is there asbestos here?
I don't know. It's just some sort of fucking weird ass chemical for the fucking 50s. So I don't.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Like, you're not breathing.
Just don't get close to it. Well, you're the one sitting next to it with your face.
It's like consistent exposure. Like if you did that every day for like 2 years.
Oh my god, this is so
Jesse, you getting
dangerous.
that ladder or no?
What is this white powder?
Spangler.
Just fine. Bro, guys, relax.
I know.
Are you going up the ladder or not?
There's nothing else. Like
There's nothing else to look at.
Genuinely,
It's all collapsed. There was more upstairs.
Jesse, you going to the ladder or no?
No.
It looks like two whole floors
There
collapsed.
ain't nothing left.
How did this all collapse? Hey, I dare you to go that way out. Chesney, go out those follow those boards out.
That'd probably be safe, bro. Those boards are legit.
They look like nothing's keeping them on the floor.
I will probably just trust in this.
Yeah.
Straight up.
You hear that? Something just cracked that I was stepping on.
You're wearing sandals.
Yeah, because I didn't know we'd be going inside. I thought we were just going
Yeah,
up.
yeah, it's not your fault. So how old do you reckon this is, all this?
I'd be wearing boots and jeans if I knew we were going in here.
Spangler, how old do you reckon this all is?
100, max 150 years old, probably 100 years old.
That's crazy.
I missed the part on film of him falling.
Yes, so did I. Fuck.
They're gonna think I faked it now.
Get down.
I'm gonna do it.
I don't want to get down after I just saw your ass fall.
Yeah.
Is he okay?
Yeah, just take this.
Yeah, it just hurts. I just hit my knee on the fucking tin. It's fine.
Hey, look at me, bro.
What?
The KD. The KD.
I don't know what that means.
The cam. The cam. The camera.
What about
the
it?
camera.
What about it?
Wanna be on
I'm
film,
trying to make
bitch.
sure. Here, hold this.
You want to be on film, bitch?
I gotta go down. I gotta check on Spangler.
Get on shit, motherfucker.
Fine. Just get down and get down safely.
Get on
Don't
shit,
do
motherfucker.
anything.
I don't know how to get down
God
safely.
dang.
Stop.
Motherfucker.
Chill out.
God dang.
Stop. Take your phone back so we can get down.
It's mine,
Zip
not
up
my
your
phone.
fly.
I've got 2 phones on.
How'd you get down,
You dumb, bro.
Spangler?
You dumb, bro.
Well, I went down like we came. I tried to jump and land.
Dude, the thing's gone. Pick up. Hey, bring the things. I don't know how to get down on.
Dumb, bro.
Yeah, that thing fucking moved.
It moves?
Well, it's on wheels.
Hey, fuck your koozie, bitch.
Can you move that thing? That thing looks more stable.
Fucking engine bar.
Engine's got to do it, bro.
Or can you come? Hey, come and hold it. Come and hold it. Come and hold it.
No, I'm not using that.
Come and hold it.
Alright.
Hold it for me so it won't
I'm
move.
gonna try to make this safe as possible. Alright, bro.
Just, it's not that hard.
Get your feet down, bro.
I need a flashlight. I need a light. Chesney, shine a light on me.
Come shine a light on it, bro. Like, we'll come get a light on it.
I don't care about
Not
touching
get
rat
his
shit
feet
right
on
now.
this property.
Chesney. Ew, what the fuck am I touching? Rat
Don't
shit.
touch anything.
I just touched all that rat shit.
Shoot and wipe
Dude,
it off.
I'm not gonna be licking my fingers at
I know, but then you touch something and you touch your clothes, then your clothes touch something else. It's just never touch something.
It's already gotten all over me.
That rat shit is so old it can't get you sick. It's
It's
literally
already gotten
got
all over me, dude. I'm gonna wash my clothes.
Jake, how many times have you been through places like this? Alright, you can sort of put like halfway weight on.
Oh my gosh. This is
I almost did it that way, then I tried to go forward.
Shut up.
Alright, let you cut down lightly, bro. Alright, move your feet where I tell it to go.
Alright, I can see now. Actually, hey, Chesney, shine a light over here, dude. I can't see where I'm going. Come on.
Well, hey, you're fine, Jake, you got the easiest part now. Just step off.
Oh, that rat shit.
Fine, bro.
It's gonna be over my phone.
My knees.
You have soap?
What?
Get soap.
You're like a late kid.
Are there any ghosts here who want to say hello? Any demons?
Alright, let's get him down, bro. Let's go.
Well, yeah.
That way I can go back and smoke.
Hello, ghosties.
Jesse, come on, bro.
Yes, I'm coming.
You got my phone. Who's got my phone?
Mine.
I'll keep the light. I'll film it. Since I missed Spangler's fall,
Okay, put some film on him. Put some light on him, bro. Come,
Give us an epic fall.
No, I don't want epic food. Absolutely not.
I had an epic fall. Fucking squat down, you little bitch. Squat. Alright. See, you just gonna lean over this, get your feet on this, and get up.
Fuck that.
Hmm?
Fuck that.
That's the safest way to do it, bro.
Fuck that.
You could go to this other white thing, bro.
that's way. It.
Stop.
You're gonna have to do
I
it. Just
felt
turn
like that
around.
collapsed it, bro.
Just
I would
turn
try
around.
this, bro.
Just turn around
If
like
you
I
don't
did.
turn around, you're gonna do what he did. You're gonna do what I did.
What's that?
And you just put your hands right there and you let yourself down slowly.
Yeah, but he fell.
I jumped forward. I went forward. I didn't turn around like you did. I just went forward.
Yeah, and you fell.
Oh.
You gotta get through it, bro.
I'm not a pussy, fuck it.
Fuck it.
I was trying to help him out.
Shit.
Like you helped me out.
Bro, fuck that.
Are you a fucking coward, yeah?
I'm actually not being stupid. I'm not being stupid. Look at that.
How you gonna get down, yeah?
I don't know.
You gonna get down?
I don't know.
Okay, go to this white
It's
thing.
my fault.
Jump.
Chesney, come
It's
over
like-
to the white thing. And
it's like
get off on
10-ish
that.
feet.
'Cause I stood on that, and it's okay to stand
Yeah,
up.
just hold my phone.
Just jump and roll like they do in the movies.
Are you still live? People watching this? Not yet. Nobody watching this.
Fucking rat shit.
You gotta stand on the edge. You can't like stand directly.
I'm fucked.
Slow down. Slow down.
Am I fucked?
No, you're fine.
Yeah,
Slow
your feet, you're
down.
nowhere near it.
It's
I'm nowhere
gonna be
near it.
physically.
Yeah.
Fuck that.
No, come down.
Bro, what the
Come
fuck are
down.
you gonna do? You gotta get down, bro.
What? Fuck.
You were
Hold me. Hey, come here, you dick.
What?
Yeah, hey,
Come
yeah.
carry me,
Hold him.
cunt.
Like
I
did
was
with
holding
you,
him.
bro.
I gotta get this footage, man. I missed you falling, so I want to get him if he falls.
No, nah, yeah, Jake, fuck off.
Why don't you just jump off?
No, fuck
I'll get like, I'll put you like a thumbnail of you like halfway
hey,
off.
Hey, it says
Yeah,
live video ended. What?
Okay, whatever, just put it away.
Share.
Chesney, just Just like parkour, like you're in a video game, just jump, like jump
How
onto that.
far
and
away
jump.
was I from that ledge?
Jump onto this
5
thing.
inches.
So almost a foot.
Yeah, I'm just gonna set your phone down so you can do whatever you want with that footage. Because it ended. Do exactly what you did, bro.
Can you not?
You want your feet right here, bro.
Yeah, look.
Okay, Jake, hold the fucking light for me, you cunt. Alright, now, like, as you, like, twist and turn around and come down.
All the lights on you, buddy.
It's a lot of upper body strength, bro. Alright, come down.
You almost fell. You came close to.
Yeah, fuck your tennis ass, bitch up.
Oh, well. What's this way, bro?
You almost fell. Spangler, you're forgetting your flashlight. Dude. That stuff is probably filled with. This stuff is probably filled with asbestos up above us. Just don't.
Yeah, but
disturb
that's
it.
fine. As long as it doesn't break, it's fine.
One day this whole place is gonna collapse.